Hi Math Wizards. So I am here now to explain to you how to do addition with expanded form with regrouping. Okay, so it's very similar to how we did addition with expanded form with no regrouping, but there's one extra step which I will walk you through. So the first question we're going to look at is 538 plus 381. Our first step is to write our question in expanded form. So we're going to take the number 538. In expanded form, that looks like 500 plus 30 plus 8, because we have an 8 in the ones place, a 3 in the tens place means 30, and a 5 in the hundreds place means 500. All right, so we have 500 plus 381. So we're going to write that number in expanded form. So 300, because there's a 3 in the hundreds place, plus 80, because there's an 8 in the tens place. So 80 means 8 tens. And we have a 1 in the ones place. Okay, so we now have our question written in expanded form. We are going to add our two numbers together, and we're going to start in the ones place. So in our ones place here, we have 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Now, in our tens place, the highest number that we can write here is 90, because we can only have a 2-digit number in the tens place. So 80 plus 30 is 110. But I can't write that here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave the 10. I'm going to take the 100, and I'm going to put the 100 in the hundreds place. So I still have 110, but I have the 10 in the tens place, and I have the 100 in the hundreds place. And then I can add together my hundreds. So I have 100 plus 500, which is 600. 600 plus 300 is 900. An easier way for you to do this, just a little hint, is you can cover up the zeros and just think to yourself, 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9, and then add the 2 zeros on again, okay? So now we have our answer, but our answer is written in expanded form. So we need to put it back together into standard form, or just regular number form, okay? So it's going to look like this. We have a 9 in the ones place. We have 110, or 10 in the tens place. And we have a 9 for 900 in the hundreds place. And our answer is 919. Let's go through what that looks like using our worksheets. Okay, so this is what the front of our new worksheets look like. It says addition with expanded form with regrouping. So open your booklet up onto the first page, which looks like this. It says 3-digit addition with expanded form strategy with regrouping. Let's do the first one together. So here it says the directions are to solve the problems using expanded form strategy. We are going to start in the ones place. Our question has already been written in expanded form for us. So they've taken 548 and put it into expanded form. 548. So we have 500 plus 40 plus 8. 327, 300 plus 20 plus 7. Now, whenever we do addition or subtraction where the numbers are stacked like this, we always start in the ones place. So we have 8 plus 7. Now, 8 plus 7 is 15. In my ones place, I can only have a 1-digit number. So I need to split up the number 15. So the number 15 looks like this. That's a 2-digit number. I can't put that there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the 5 that is in the ones place in the number 15. I'm going to take the 10, fix that there, and I'm going to put the 10 up here in the tens place. So now when I add the tens column together, I'm going to add 10 plus 40 plus 20. See, we still have 15. We have the 5 here and the 10 here. We're just adding it in different places. So again, we have 10 plus 40 plus 20, which is 70. Okay? Then we move to the hundreds place. We have 500 plus 300 is 800. The final step is to rewrite the answer in standard form. So I have 5 ones, 7 tens, 8 hundreds. All right, let's do another one as an example. Let's go to number 2, 5 plus 6. Now, I know 5 plus 6 is 11 because I know 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus 6 is going to be 1 more than 10, which is 11. Now, 11 is a 2-digit number, which I can't write in the ones place. So instead of writing 11 like this in the ones place, I'm going to leave the 1 from the ones place here, take the 10 from the tens place, and add it to the tens column. So there's my number 11. There's the 1 from the ones place, and then the 10 in the tens place. Then I'm going to add the tens column together. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 20 more is 40. Okay? Then I'm going to add 200 plus 800. Here's a tip. If it's too difficult to add with that many zeros, you can just cover them up, okay? So we know 2 plus 8 is going to be 10 plus the zeros. So we have 10 plus 2 zeros. So it's actually 1,000. Okay? But I can't have 1,000 in a hundreds place. So here's what we're going to do. We need to take that 1,000 out of here. We're going to put it in its own box here. And then because we actually have 0 hundreds, we put a 0 to hold its place. Okay? So we have the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Let's write our answer from expanded form into standard form. So we have a 1 in the ones place, we have 4 tens, we have 0 hundreds, and we have 1,000. Okay.
All right, my friends, I hope that that makes sense for you. If you go to do your worksheet and you're having some trouble, just rewind the video and you can watch it again. Watch it slowly, do it with me. If you have any questions, just send me a message and we can set up a Zoom chat or a FaceTime where I can walk you through it again. All right? Be kind to yourself. Be patient. The more that you do, the easier this will become. I don't expect you to be able to get this right away. That's what learning is, right? We have to work through that moment of frustration or not being able to understand before we can actually get to that place of understanding. Okay? So I'm here to help if you need anything. I would like you to finish all of the pages in the booklet so that you have a really good understanding of how to do expanded form with regrouping before we start doing standard form with regrouping. Okay? So focus on this for now. A good way to do this is to do 1, maybe 2 pages per day. You don't have to do the whole booklet at once. You can space it out so that you can practice over time. All right, my friends, good luck. Let me know if you need anything. Goodbye.